Welcome back. So we're setting up my second sub-series of this channel, and it's going to be all about binary arithmetic. And the way that I'm going to lay this out is going to be one video per concept, and we're going to start with addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. So for binary addition, it is extremely similar to decimal addition. You have the idea of carries, and that's pretty much all you need to know. So before we go ahead and get started, some useful things to know that I wrote down here is 1 plus 1 is going to be equal to what looks like 10, but it's actually 2, because 1, 0 in binary is equal to 2. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 looks like it equals 11, but it really equals 3, because 1, 1 in binary is the same as 3. So those are going to be really useful to know. So let's go ahead and get started with some examples. So I'm going to start with one really simple, just to show you that it can be extremely easy. So let's say I have 1, 0, 0, 1, and I want to add to that 0, 1, 1, 0. Bit by bit, digit by digit, you just do it the same as you would in decimal. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1, 1, and then 1. So that's the easy example because we didn't have to carry. So let's say that we have this time 1, 0, 1, 1, plus 1, 0, 0, 1. So in this case, 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, or 1, 0, so the 0 is going to stay here, and then you're going to carry the 1 above. Again, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 1, 0. Carry the 1 again. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, no carry involved. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Carry the 1, and then 1 plus nothing is just going to be 1. So the answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So what I'm going to do now, just to reinforce the concept, is I'm going to write down a few to do by yourself. As you do them, pause the video, and then unpause it, and then we'll check our answers together. So I'm going to erase this one now, and then I want you to do 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, plus 1, 1, 1, 0. Pause the video, give it a try. Alright, so what you should have done is first 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, or 1, 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Carry the 1, and then finally 1 plus nothing is 1. So your answer should be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We'll do one more and then we'll wrap it up. Alright, so I would like you to try 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Pause the video, give it a try, come back. Alright, so what you should have gotten is 0 plus 0 equals 0. These two are 1. 1 plus 0 is 0, so you should get 2 more 1s. And then finally 1 plus 1 is 2, so you're going to need to carry the 1 over, and then 1 plus nothing is 1. So you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 0. That should be your final answer. So this is pretty much binary addition. Extremely simple to do. Arguably a lot easier than the decimal system because the only two numbers that you're working with are 0 and 1. So hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and stick around for binary subtraction.